Planters punch originated in 1694. The traditional formula for punch is 1 of sour, 2 of sweet, 3 of strong, 4 of weak, and a touch of spice to make it nice. The team from Smugglers, Cove followed this formula while creating their house Planters punch, which includes some of the most popular ingredients in Jamaica: Angostura bitters, allspice liqueur, and a locally produced rum. What is the crack? My name's the Rusty Bartender. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. Today's recipe is the Planters punch, and we are making every single recipe from Steve the Bartender's cocktail guide if you're new. With that being said, let's get straight into this cocktail. Today's cocktail, you can either make in a milkshake maker, or you can flash blend in a blender. We're going to be flash blending today, so here we go with my blender. This drink should be an absolute banger today because it's got some great ingredients going on. We're first going to go in with 1 whole ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Let's see if we can get a whole ounce first. And oh my god, yes we can. 1 full ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Then 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. And then we're going to go in with 3/4 of an ounce of a Demerara syrup. Then we're going to go in 1/4 of an ounce of our allspice liqueur. This is going to give lots of cloves, cinnamon flavors. A lot of the same similar flavors that are in your Angostura bitters, to be honest. Then we're going to go 3 full ounces of an aged Jamaican rum. We're using Appleton Estate 8-year-olds today. So 3 full ounces plus your allspice liqueur, 1/4 ounce. So a fair bit of booze in this, but we're flash blending with a lot of ice. So to your milkshake maker or your blender, we're going to add a nice big healthy scoop of crushed or pebble ice. Just a quick little buzz with your blender, and then job's a good one. That should be enough. You're just going to pour the contents straight into a highball, and then top up with some pebble and crushed ice if needed, and we do need. Garnish for this is a nice big mint sprig. Well, there you go, folks. Planters punch. Looks like a delight. Let's give it a little sip to see what it tastes like. Just trying to find my straw there. There we go. Nice big metal straw. Give us a little sip. That is a really good drink. I could get amongst this. Really strong with the rum, and that hits you straight up front. Then you get the aftertaste of the spices from the Angostura and the allspice. The limes brightens everything up. You got the mint sprig, making everything sort of fresh. That is absolutely dangerous. I'm really gonna enjoy this one. Here you go, folks. On to the next one. Cheers.